you go, Eric. All better now. What was that?
Oh, it's Max, the monster truck.
He shouldn't be playing here. Construction sites are dangerous.
Look at all the mess Max is causing. Oh no, Max has run out of fuel.
We've got to get him out before that concrete dries. Quick, mechanicals, fetch the spare fuel. Oh dear, that concrete will be hard in less than a minute. Oh!
Oh, how on earth are we going to get the extra fuel over to Max?
Oh, Eric's made a bridge. Oh, 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 oh. The concrete's almost set.
Go, Max, go!
Looks like Max has learned his lesson. Thanks, Max. Another panic over. See you next time.